Welcome. In this video, we'll configure VLANs on a GPON OLT and VLAN for connected SFU ONU using the web interface. Let's begin with logging into the OLT Web Interface using the OLT Management IP and admin credentials. Step 1. Create VLANs on the OLT. Go to Advanced Configuration and click on VLAN Configuration. Here you can create Add VLAN. You can add single VLAN as well as range of VLANs using commas and hyphen. Here I am adding VLAN 100 to 105, 2200, 2201 and click Apply. From the list here, you can verify those VLANs are created successfully. Step 2. Uplink and PON port VLAN mode. In the Interface VLAN Attribute section, Port VLAN mode can be set both for uplink and PON port. In this example, we will configure port TG0/1 for uplink connectivity. Although trunk mode is commonly used in Ethernet switching, GPON architecture uses .1q encapsulation by default for uplink ports. Therefore, instead of standard trunk mode, we use the .1q tunnel uplink mode. GPON ports are responsible for forwarding traffic to the ONUs. In this step, we will explore two configuration scenarios depending on the required VLAN setup. Scenario 1. Access mode on a GPON port. Use access mode when all ONUs connected to a specific GPON port will share the same VLAN. For example, to configure port GPON 0/1 so that all connected ONUs use VLAN 2200, click Edit. Set the port mode to access mode and assign VLAN 2200 as the PVID, port VLAN ID, and click Apply. This ensures untagged traffic from all ONUs is tagged with VLAN 2200. Scenario 2. Trunk mode on a GPON port. Use trunk mode when you need to support multiple VLANs across different ONUs on a single GPON port. For example, to allow VLANs 100 to 105 on GPON port 0/2, go to Edit. Configure the port mode as a trunk mode and define the allowed VLAN range using comma and hyphen, and click Apply. Step 3. Create VLAN profile. Go to ONU Profile Configuration and click on VLAN. Here you can create VLAN profile for SFU-type ONU. We will create two different types of profile, TAG and TRUNK profile. First, we are going to create TAG profile for VLAN 100. Click New. Now you need to put a profile name. Suppose profile name is TAG Test. Then we need to select VLAN mode. Select TAG. We need to write port PVID. Here PVID is the TAG VLAN. Suppose this VLAN is 100. Let's write 100 and click Apply. The VLAN profile is now created for TAG VLAN 100. Now, we will create a trunk profile for VLAN 100 to 105, 2200, 2201. Click New. Put trunk VLAN profile name Trunk Test. Select VLAN mode Trunk. Now, you need to write VLAN list in VLAN trunk allowed section using comma or hyphen for range of VLANs. Suppose we put 100 to 105, 2200, 2201 and click Apply. The trunk VLAN profile is created for all the VLANs from 100 to 105 and 2200 and 2201. Step 4. Apply VLAN profile. Go to ONU Configuration section, select the PON port of the ONU. From the ONU list, select the ONU you want to configure VLAN. Go to LAN config. Now check the VLAN profile. From the drop-down, select the desired VLAN profile. Suppose you want TAG profile, select TAG test. If you need trunk profile, select Trunk Test Profile and click Apply. You can check VLAN profile from the LAN config that VLAN profile is applied successfully. In the upper right corner, there is Save icon. Click the Save icon to save all the configuration. It will take a few moments. Now, connect a device to the ONU. Test connectivity to ensure VLAN configuration is working properly. And that's how you configure VLANs on a GPON OLT and ONU using the web interface. For more tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.